Hey guys, what's up? This is Joy Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to talk about IC engines, which is internal combustion engines. So it is the intro of internal combustion engines. So let's get started. An engine is defined as a device which converts one form of energy into mechanical energy. So whenever any kind of energy is there, when a device converts any kind of energy into a mechanical energy, then it is termed as an engine. Because mechanical energy can be further easily converted into electrical energy, which is most required form of energy, as it is easy to transport and control. As you know that most of the time electrical energy is easy to control and easy to transport. That's why we use mechanical energy, and mechanical energy can easily convert it into electrical energy. Heat engine is a device which transforms heat energy into mechanical energy. The transformation of one form of energy into another required form is always associated with losses. Therefore, the efficiency of conversion plays an important role. Whenever we are going to convert one form of energy into another form of energy, there will be some losses. That's why efficiency of conversion plays an important role. That's why we always talk about the efficiency. Heat is considered poor form of energy, where mechanical work is considered rich form of energy, as its back conversion with very high efficiency 90 to 95% is possible. In every heat engine, some form of fuel like solid, liquid, gas or nuclear is used. The chemical energy or nuclear energy of fuel is converted into thermal or heat energy, and that is further used to perform useful work. Let's take an example. Suppose you are using a car. So what you do for driving a car, you fill fuel like petrol or diesel or CNG. So what happens that the chemical energy means the fuel means the petrol or diesel is the chemical energy. Okay, it will convert by the engine and it will convert into a mechanical energy. So that we can say that the chemical energy is converted into thermal energy. Okay, let's classify the heat engines. The heat engines are classified as external combustion engines and internal combustion engines. Now, what is the external combustion engine and what is the internal combustion engine? The external combustion engines. Let's look at the words of this. External and combustion. External means outside and combustion means to burn or to make combustion. So the external combustion, it means the combustion process takes place outside of the engine. Okay, or in terms of internal combustion engine, definitely the combustion will take place inside the engine. Okay, an external combustion engine is a thermal power plant where fuel is burned and then heat is given to the water to generate the steam, which is further used for power generation. The working fluid is not mixed with fuel. There are same working fluid, water, is used again and again in the system. The internal combustion engine is a gas turbine plant where fuel is mixed with the air and burned. The hot gases are passed through the turbine to generate the power and then the gases are exhausted. In this case, the same working fluid, air, cannot be used again in the cycle. During the next cycle, again the fresh air is taken and mixed with the fuel for heating. Let's take an example. Suppose you are using your car. So the engine, which is called as internal combustion engine, while you are using the car, the engine of the car is called as internal combustion engine, which in which the combustion takes place inside the engine. So what happens that it takes fresh air from the environment, and it mixes with the fuel. So by mixing with the fuel, it it creates combustion, okay. And the exhaust gas, or the waste or the exhaust gas, burned gas, will be rejected through the exhaust valve, okay. So in this case we are not able to use the able to use this air again and again. We take the engine takes new air, fresh air, and then use it again, and then throw it towards the exhaust. So this is called as internal combustion engine. In the above described internal combustion system, compression, combustion, and expansion are carried out in different components. But in conventional IC engines, all the above mentioned processes like suction, compression, combustion, and the exhaust are carried out in the component only, piston and cylinder. And this is the engine known to the common public, the simple arrangement. So this is all about the heat engine, or the introduction to the IC engine. We are going to make a playlist for this, for especially for the IC engines. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video.